Plant FAQs. Dieffenbachia vesuvius. Dieffenbachia vesuvius, your guide to this stunning indoor plant. Hi, Ferbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Dieffenbachia vesuvius, a houseplant that's as easy on the eyes as it is to care for. This beauty boasts vibrant foliage and air-purifying qualities, making it a popular choice for indoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newbie, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about the Dieffenbachia vesuvius. What is a Dieffenbachia vesuvius? The Dieffenbachia vesuvius, also known as the dumb cane due to its sap's irritating properties, is a stunning variety of the Dieffenbachia genus. It's prized for its large, lance-shaped leaves adorned with a captivating pattern of green, yellow, and white variegation. The leaves resemble a topographical map, with dark green splotches reminiscent of volcanic craters, hence the apt name Vesuvius. This tropical wonder thrives in warm, humid environments and adds a touch of the exotic to any room. Dieffenbachia vesuvius versus other Dieffenbachia varieties. The Dieffenbachia family boasts a diverse range of houseplants, each with its own unique charm. Here's a quick comparison of the Vesuvius with some popular cousins. Dieffenbachia seguin. This classic variety features broad, oval leaves with prominent white veins on a green background. It's a shade-tolerant option compared to the Vesuvius preference for brighter indirect light. Dieffenbachia tropic snow. This beauty showcases a dramatic contrast with its creamy white leaves edged in green. It requires more light than the Vesuvius, but offers a striking visual statement. Dieffenbachia compacta. This compact version is ideal for smaller spaces. It features smaller, rounded leaves with a similar green and white variegation as the Vesuvius. Ultimately, the best Dieffenbachia for you depends on your personal preference, lighting conditions, and desired plant size. How to care for Dieffenbachia vesuvius. Taking care of your Dieffenbachia vesuvius is a breeze. Here are some key things to remember. Light. Aim for bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't let the plant sit in soggy soil. Humidity. This tropical plant thrives in moderate to high humidity. Consider using a humidifier or grouping your plants together to create a mini-humid microclimate. Soil. A well-draining potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture specifically formulated for indoor plants. Fertilizer. Feed your plant a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month, following package instructions. Temperature. Maintain a comfortable room temperature between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Is Dieffenbachia vesuvius toxic? Yes, the Dieffenbachia vesuvius, like all Dieffenbachia varieties, is toxic to humans and pets if ingested. The sap contains calcium oxalate crystals, which can cause irritation, swelling, and even temporary paralysis in the mouth and throat. Here are some safety tips. Keep the plant out of reach of children and pets. Wear gloves when handling the plant. Wash your hands thoroughly after pruning or coming into contact with the sap. Can I propagate my Dieffenbachia vesuvius? Absolutely. Propagating your Dieffenbachia vesuvius is a rewarding way to expand your collection. You can propagate through stem cuttings or leaf cuttings. Here's a simplified approach. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem section with at least one node, the bump where a leaf meets the stem. Plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix and keep it warm and humid. Leaf cuttings. Cut a healthy leaf with a portion of the petiole, leaf stalk, attached. Plant the petiole in a moist potting mix and provide warmth and humidity. Both methods require patience, as root development can take several weeks. Conclusion. Bringing the beauty of the Dieffenbachia vesuvius into your home. The Dieffenbachia vesuvius is a low-maintenance houseplant that offers a captivating combination of beauty and air purification. With proper care, this tropical wonder can thrive indoors, adding a touch of elegance and vibrancy to your space. Remember, keep it out of reach of curious pets and children, and enjoy the lush foliage of your Dieffenbachia vesuvius for years to come.